All right, everyone, welcome back for another episode of Carnivore Trade. Today is Wednesday, August 25th, 2021. The market's staging a pretty much anemic rally here as we enter the 3 o'clock time frame. Just under 23 million shares traded on the SPY. So that is incredibly light volume and not a lot of participation going on. And again, to stress, caution here, don't overtrade this market. You don't want to be in too many trades right now. When there's a lot of light volume and not a lot of participation, there's generally not going to be a lot of conviction behind some of the moves, and it can tend to traders seeing things that really aren't there, and so on and so forth. But nonetheless, yields having a nice day. So the 10-year up about 4% right now, and that is helping out the usual suspects. IWM, really the big winner on the day, up 0.8% here. It still should stall out around this. We're at about 223 here, 225, 227, that range. It's probably going to run into a little bit of headwinds, but small caps doing well. Again, the meme stocks kind of just pausing here. AMC up fractionally. Well, 2% isn't fractionally, but for a stock like AMC it is. And then GameStop actually negative 2%. But again, just pause days here for those names. And the other usual suspects that are up in the higher yield environment. We have Jets having a nice day here, as well as energy, so XLE up as well, and crude having a nice day as well too. I do think crude probably stalls out somewhere around the 70 handle. So you got the 50 moving average kind of flattening out here. If we get up into that range, and you have this is where your sell-off took place. So there should be some resistance in that area. Again, remember, we made a lower low now, so this could be the beginning of a bigger pullback in crude. So just keep that in mind as well. As far as some of the metals are concerned, gold pulling back a bit here. Again, higher yield, that's affecting that. But there's a good chance gold trades back up to this 1840 level in the near term if it can put in some more consolidation and kind of move sideways there. And you have silver, again, just kind of fractionally, outside really just flat, honestly, on that trade. But again, all still kind of inside of this red bar. So this is technically an inside bar pattern here on silver. But again, bigger picture, you do have those higher lows in place, and silver's got a chance to move up here. But right now, just kind of hanging in there and not doing a whole lot. Dollar index, again, continuing to pull back a little bit here. Was positive earlier, but did give back some of those gains. But overall, a pretty flat day for the most part. Now we have the 50 and the 20 upsloping here. So it's going to be interesting. I do expect it to at least trade down to this 92.50 handle, where you have this this is where you broke out of. So you'd be looking for a back test there, potentially. And you have these moving averages upsloping, so it'll be very interesting to see if it bounces off that and continues higher. If not, we do have this potential trend line here that is upsloping as well. So that would be, if we got a steeper pullback in the dollar, that's where you would look for some support there. So I'm watching this pattern develop very closely. And yeah, we'll just kind of continue to monitor it day by day here. But anyways, if you guys haven't done so yet, come check me out on Patreon. It's only $5 a month. And I've been doing daily analysis there, stuff that I don't cover in the YouTube videos, stuff that I don't cover on Twitter, and of course specific trades that I'm taking with entry and exit and all that good stuff. But anyways, guys, take care. I will talk to you tomorrow, and you guys have a good day.